I thought creating an AI influencer model would be simple. I was wrong. I spent 3 weeks jumping between different AI generators, photo editing software, and character creation tools, only to end up with inconsistent faces that look different in every single image and cost me over $800 in various subscriptions. But it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make AI influencer creation easier, here are 4 steps I learned that will help you go from concept to consistent AI model ready for content creation in under 2 hours. The traditional way, hiring a professional 3D artist and photographer costs $5,000 to $15,000 for a complete influencer package, or spending months learning complex 3D modeling software and AI training techniques separately. But design literally takes you from basic concept to photorealistic AI influencer with consistent facial features, multiple poses, and different outfits in one seamless workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design your AI influencer's core features and personality, generate consistent facial structure across multiple angles, create diverse poses and expressions for content variety, and export high-quality images ready for social media posting. Plus, I'll share the link to try design in the description below. Step 1. Setting up your AI project. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Watching design understand your influencer vision better than you can describe it yourself. When I first created my fitness influencer concept, design literally analyzed my simple description of a beautiful woman in her early 20s with soft, youthful features and suggested specific facial features, body proportions, and even personality traits that would resonate with fitness audiences. I literally realized the AI was thinking like a brand strategist. First, let's log into your design account. Once you're inside, you'll see several buttons on the screen. Each one represents a different feature that design offers. On the left side, you'll notice a colorful rectangular icon. When you click it, it brings you to your design account page. Here, you'll see a welcome message, an option to join the community, and you can customize your name, profile picture, and username. Then, let's create our first project. Go back to the dashboard and click on Text to Image. Here, you'll see different styles you can use, like Design General. For this example, we'll choose Nano Banana, since design is integrated with it. Once your style is selected, go to the prompt box. This is where you tell the AI what you want to create. Try to be clear and specific. For example, create a beautiful woman in her early 20s with soft, youthful features. She has clear, glowing skin, expressive eyes, and natural makeup. Her look is elegant yet effortless, with a warm, confident aura. Style is modern and feminine, slightly romantic, with subtle details that highlight her youth and charm. High quality, realistic lighting, cinematic depth, and a clean aesthetic. Next, turn on the prompt improver. This helps enhance your prompt by making it more detailed and optimized, so the AI can generate better and more accurate results. After that, go to output quality and choose the resolution you want. Since I'm creating a high quality AI model for social media, I'll select 4K. Then choose your aspect ratio. For socials, you can choose YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Portrait. For other platforms, just select what fits your needs. For this example, we'll choose the Instagram, which is 4:5 the aspect ratio. Then click Generate. And that's it. You're now ready to generate your first AI image using design. Here's what most people don't know. The more specific you are about lifestyle and values, the more consistent design makes the facial expressions and poses across different images. My secret tip: save multiple character variations with slight differences so you can test which version performs better on social media. But wait until you see how design creates the actual face structure. Step 2. Creating different scenes and scenarios with AI. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery: generating your AI model in unlimited different scenarios while keeping perfect consistency. When I started creating different scenes with my character, design was able to place the same model in coffee shops, beaches, gyms, and even busy city streets while keeping every facial feature exactly the same. Same face, same structure, same overall look. First, from the image you generated in design, click on AI video. This will take you to a new page where the AI magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see 2 options: keyframe and reference. For this tutorial, we'll use keyframe. This means the image we generated earlier will be used as the main visual, and the animation will be based on that exact character. Right below the prompt box, pass the same detailed character description from step 1. This is very important because it helps maintain character consistency. After that, you can start adding specific scene descriptions to create variety in your content. For this example, let's use this prompt. She is standing by the beach modeling a light summer outfit. Below the prompt box, you'll see the video model selector. When you click it, different AI video models will appear. For this example, we'll use Google Veo 3 since it produces smooth motion, realistic lighting, and cinematic results that work great for social media content. Next, you'll see a sound button. This allows you to add audio or background sound to your video if you want. Beside that, you can choose the video quality, aspect ratio, and duration for your AI model. Select the settings that match the platform you're posting on. Once everything is set, you can finally click Generate and let design create your AI video. Here's something most people don't know. You can actually control the camera angles and photography style in your prompts. You can add details like shot from above, close-up portrait, or full body shot to create more variety in your content and make each image feel intentional and professional. My pro tip, create themed content batches. Generate 10 images in a coffee shop, then 10 workout images, then 10 travel shots. This gives you weeks of consistent content while still telling a clear story for your influencer or AI model. But the real magic happens when you enhance these images for professional quality. Step 3. Enhancing your AI model's video for professional quality. Now, here comes my favorite part, using Design's enhancement tools to bring your AI model to life and make it look like a real professional model. When I first used the portrait enhancement feature, Design didn't just improve my images, it transformed my AI character into a lifelike model. Once the generate is complete, you'll literally see your AI character come to life in different scenes, outfits, and poses. Before we watch our finished video, let's go first click the Enhance and Upscale button. Here you can choose up to 4 times image quality that Design made for you. Then click Enhance. Once done, here's the finished video. Here's something most people don't know. You can enhance the same AI model multiple times with different settings to find the perfect balance between realism and polish. My pro tip? Always enhance your hero AI models, the characters you use for profile pictures, featured content, or any videos you plan to promote or use for collaborations. These models represent your digital influencer's brand, and making them look flawless helps your content stand out. And here's an extra trick. You can now add the lip sync feature when turning your AI model into a video. This makes your character speak, sing, or react realistically, bringing it to life like a real professional model. Step 4. Uploading your AI model video. Now here comes my most exciting moment, preparing your AI influencer content for actual social media posting and engagement. When I first used Design's export optimization tools, it literally transformed my AI models into Instagram ready, TikTok ready, and YouTube ready content. Once your AI video is ready, simply click the download button to save it, and Design will automatically download in a high quality format ready for social media. My pro tip? Always check if your video are done in Enhance or Upscale feature. If done, your video will automatically download with the highest quality version. With this, your AI model isn't just an image or video. It's a fully polished, ready-to-post digital model. I've been completely obsessed with Design because it makes creating photorealistic AI model influencers accessible to anyone. The full workflow from text to image, scene generation, enhancement, and now video creation gives you everything you need to build a convincing, professional influencer presence entirely digitally. You can try Design yourself using the link in the description below. The platform offers different subscription tiers depending on how much content you want to create, and honestly, the image and video quality is unmatched in the AI space. What I love most is how the image to video feature adds that final touch of realism, making your AI model truly come alive on social media. Learning photography, videography, and modeling yourself, hundreds of hours, expensive equipment, location costs, and model fees. With design, you can create unlimited professional quality AI influencer photos and videos for a fraction of the traditional cost. I know what you're thinking, but Mariana, won't people know it's AI? Design's realism, combined with enhancement and video features, is so advanced that most people can't tell the difference, especially on mobile screens, where most Instagram browsing happens. The benefits are incredible. You can create unlimited professional influencer content without hiring anyone. With magazine quality visuals and realistic movements that stop viewers from scrolling past, you'll save thousands compared to traditional content creation and have complete creative control over your AI influencer's brand, style, and evolution across both photos and videos. Ready to create your first AI model influencer with photos and videos? Click the link in my description to try Design and start building your digital influencer empire using the complete workflow I just shared. Join our community in the comments and tell me what type of character and video content you're planning to create. Your AI model influencer journey starts now. Let's create something amazing.